Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go over my GoPro setup. I'm gonna include some clip of me riding with the same setup so you guys can hear. So this is the GoPro Hero 8 along with a medium mat. So the reason why I go with a medium mat because I didn't like the mic adapter that just come like a big piece, and plus the type of helmet I have is the Icon Airflite. So you know the whole front is the glass, the visor cover the whole front of the helmet. So that's what my helmet look like. So as you can see, it plugs straight into the medium mod right here. So you have a USB type C if you want to charge the battery, or if you want to add a power bank to it while riding, that's work good also. Right here you have HDMI if you want to put it to like a bigger screen or whatever it may be. So this right here is a TRRS adapter to TRS because that's what the GoPro use. I had this setup right here. This is a TRS, so it's tip, ring, and I forget the other part. And it's so this will plug straight into the GoPro and work, but it won't be in the helmet. So I have to get this adapter to go in the helmet. But the adapter for the Purple Panda mic, which I'm using currently now, is TRRS, and that won't work with this one, or it won't work with the camera. So you have to get a TRRS to TRS adapter. And that's where the mic, I put the mic right here out of my sight. This is where I have to put this because I want to be able to lift up my my helmet, my visor, just like that. So that's what happens when you lift up the visor, the whole thing come up. But I will be changing this in the future. I will change the color, and it's gonna be more darker than this, so you won't be able to see the tape or anything like that. But I'm just trying it out, so if it works good this way, it will work. Link will be in the description for the medium mod, the GoPro, and the Purple Panda mic. So guys, hope you enjoy the sound clips that I'm about to leave in the video. So I'm testing out this GoPro setup. So this is what it sounds like. So this is what it sounds like with me riding, and hope you guys can hear me clearly. So that's what it sound like with me riding. Alright guys, so and this is what it sound like with me